Welcome to Production Expert, my name's Dan Cooper. In this series of videos I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to mix a live band using 4 plugins in Waves CLA Signature Series. These are in effect channel strip plugins that do away with complicated controls. Instead we get these banks of faders, each with their own purpose, such as compression, EQ and effects, and each provide a few options as well at the top here that we can toggle between with this yellow button or bypass all together. In the first 3 episodes, we were mixing the drums, bass, and electric guitars using the CLA drums, bass, and electric guitars. And in this video, we're going to be using CLA vocals to mix the lead vocal. Now, as I mentioned in the previous episodes, on default, these faders up in the middle here are already applying, in the case of this instance here, bass, treble, compression, reverb, delay, and pitch. So there will be level differences when we go between bypass and engaged. Good trick for when you're using these plugins is if you hold shift and click all of the faders here, you can pull them all down. So in essence, no processing is going on. So then you've got a level playing field really to start adding compression or adding reverb. So let's take a listen to the lead vocal.
She's got those soft feet, the kind that dance on hot, hot sand, yo. The earth is just rolling.
Let's just increase
between her toes.
The input sensitivity.
The smooth ankles. Ah, bless the bridge for once to cross over.
Sounds a little bit dull in tone, doesn't it? Bit of treble there can go a long way.
Wanna come over, hey.
Bit of compression as well. Let's go back around that again.
She's got those soft feet, the kind that dance on hot, hot sand, yo.
Nice.
The earth is just rolling.
Bit of delay. Slap.
Between her toes. Do you know the smooth ankles? Ah, bless the bridge for once to cross over.
Nice.
Baby, let me pass through.
You can reverb bring.
I wanna come over. Hey.
Too much. Okay. That's a good start. Let's see if we can add a little bit more interest to that vocal using the pitch, like we did on the bass and electric guitars. Starting with stereo.
Well-shaped legs, a parallel picture I have to paint clearly. Pale, long, short, or tan, it doesn't matter. She is still a ship that needs to be manned.
Push the compressor a bit more.
Oh, she needs to be mad. So I set sail with just the 3 fingers, gliding high.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That works.
So true, a beauty so pure.
Anyway, for more information on Waves CLA Signature Series plugins, do check out the Waves website. I hope you guys got something from this series of videos. As I said, these are basically channel strips, but they're really easy to use, which is great for when you just want to focus on the creative side of mixing and not get sort of bogged down in the technical side of stuff. As always, thanks for watching, and I'm Dan Cooper from Production Expert, and I'll see you again soon.